morning everyone, Mr. Allen here for our Golden Ticket Assembly. It's Friday the 22nd of January and we are all working amazingly at home and those children here that are at school on all the lessons that the teachers are posting on Tapestry. It's fantastic to see all the work coming on, so please keep putting it on there. And as well, after last weekend in the snow, it was really lovely to see lots of those pictures of you guys in the snow, and there's a few of them that come up here as well with the golden tickets as well. Obviously this morning we've got nursery, reception, year 1 and year 2. All those children have worked so hard this week, and huge congratulations to everyone. If it isn't you, don't worry. Keep working really hard, because again, this morning, hopefully you'll get a shout out in the shout out assembly, so have a look at those as well, and then you can see the amazing work that's going on by all the children in every single class. So this morning, we're going to start with our nursery children, and in nursery again, we've got 2, we know that by now, hopefully. This child has been doing fantastic work both at school and during lockdown. She tries her best, is a kind friend and shows a can-do attitude. Superb. This child has been working really hard at home doing exercise and practicing his writing. It's amazing. These nursery children are being so independent and being really helpful at home. Golden tickets goes to Alice and Elliot. Look at Alice, look at her there, look, big smiles. There's Elliot as well, big smiles. Keep it up, guys. Working really hard at home. So pleased to see you carrying on with all of your learning, and please do keep up. Look out for these golden tickets. They're coming in the post. We'll be winging their way to you very shortly. So really well done, you two. I am so proud of you. Big round of applause. Well done. Moving on. We've got Turtle Class. Look at this. This child is a very helpful and kind member of Turtle Class. She always enjoys helping others and always tries her best with her work. Really well deserved. And I know this girl is working really hard at home and being super helpful as well. Golden tick goes to Matilda. There she is. Look, there she is. Good old Matilda. Look at that birthday cake. Matilda? Hey, it's 5. She's 5. She turned 5. So happy birthday as well, Matilda. Huge congratulations, hon. Keep up the amazing work. You are an absolute superstar. So really well done. Well deserved. And that cake looks amazing. Well done. This will be coming in the post. Look out for it, hun. And again, really celebrate with your sisters as well, because it's actually hugely deserved. And I know you are really being helpful at home, so keep it up. Thank you so much. Moving on. We've got Sharks in Shark Class. Our golden ticket winner this week has come to school every day with a smile on his face and really cheers the whole class up. And he really does. He's a very smiley boy. He has worked so hard completing all his activities, and his reading, writing and listening is really improving. It really is. And actually that's something he's had to work on lots and lots, and he listens and he does everything first time, and it's absolutely superb to see. I am really proud as well, as should all the Sharks. Golden ticket goes to Ollie! Here he is, look at that, look. Getting down to his work. Ollie, I am so proud of you, buddy. Really well done. Loving there with the brushing teeth. So hopefully you've been filling in your brushing your teeth chart as well. I know you've been doing that this week as well, so I know you have been. So really well deserved, buddy. So proud of you. Take this home Friday with you and have a good weekend and a celebrate, okay, for winning your first golden ticket. Really proud of you. Well done, Ollie. Moving on. Miss Marshall says the winner of the golden ticket has worked hard every day to complete their work to the best of their ability and has shown me some great reading. They certainly have. Golden ticket goes to Logan! Look at Logan there. Absolutely working. Logan, you are working so hard. It is absolutely amazing the amount of work that you are putting on. Please do keep it up. That is fantastic. And before we move on, there's something very special this morning. It's never ever happened. It's a first, but I have another golden ticket. And I'm going to keep Logan up there because you'll just have a bit of a clue as to who this other golden ticket is for. And this golden ticket goes to Logan's dad. Logan's dad. And there he is. Dad, you are amazing. Thank you so much for all the hard work you are putting in with Logan and all the posting and everything else. You really do deserve this. It will be coming in the post with Logan's, so look out for it. It's the first, I'm sure, of many now, but really well done, Dad. Thank you so much for everything you are doing. Well done, Logan. Really well deserved. You can both celebrate there. Mum, special celebration for your boys at home, please. Okay, so really well done. Look out for these in the post. Congratulations. Well done. Moving on. Miss Begum says that she has a positive attitude towards home learning and completes all of her work. She is keen to complete the challenge task for maths to extend her learning. She's a thoughtful friend and has found creative ways to stay in touch with her classmates, such as writing them postcards during phonics. Amazing, amazing. Absolutely working so hard as well at home, just as hard as well. Golden ticket goes to Scarlett. Here she is, Scarlett Bates. Look at her. Look, I said about the snow. Look at that wonderful snowman. Fantastic. Well done, Scarlett. And working so hard as well, doing your writing at home as well. So I know Miss Begum's really proud of you. I am as well. Really well done. Huge congratulations. And this will be coming in the post to you. You superstar. Well done. Moving on. Miss Howkins now says about this child, as well as completing the work booklets that are sent home, our phonics and maths videos, he has made a beautiful book all about animals and nature. He has been observing things he has seen from his window or out on a walk and researching facts about them. He is going to keep adding to it whilst he is at home. Such beautiful, it really is. It is stunning, absolutely stunning, the things that are appearing on tapestry for this child. The golden ticket goes to Oliver. Here he is. Look at the absolute Oliver. That is amazing. When I saw that, I was absolutely blown away. It was, look at the drawings here, the writing, absolutely superb. All the different birds that you have seen on your work. You have deserved this. It is amazing. Really well done. It's coming in the post to you. Keep it up. It'd be lovely to see it when it's completed and when we're back at school. Better see your completed book, okay? Well done, Oliver. Hugely deserved. Thank you. Moving on. Finally, you've got Mrs. Cook. Look, nice and simple. Lots of super work at home, including reading to his brother and sister. Now, this golden ticket goes to someone who actually has had to work really hard as well. But they're keeping up that work at home and helping out. Golden ticket goes to Robbie. Here he is. Look at Robbie. Look, he's got the golden ticket. Good lad, Robbie. Hey, reading there, amazing. Keeping that up, doing it every single day. And keep helping out at home. Well done, Robbie. You deserve this. It's coming in the post, buddy, so look out for it. I am so proud of you. Well done. Keep it up. Finally, obviously, just a well done to all of our winners. And actually, well done to everyone out there. So please do keep up all of that amazing work, because it's fantastic to see. And I know we will get through this together. The teachers keep on posting all of that work. The worksheets will keep coming. So those work packs will keep coming home as well. So please do keep it up. Keep up that work. It's fantastic to see. Finally, obviously, stay home. Protect Marlcross. Let's help keep everyone safe. We are doing that. It is working. Please, let's keep that up. If we can keep that up to half term, who knows? We can really start looking at how we can get more children back into school. But at present, we need to stay home, keep everyone safe, and keep working hard. Well done, everyone. Until next week, bye-bye.